Um, so talk to me a little bit. I'm curious on this too. There's no, I just want your point of view on this. You see so much deal flow, right? There's so much opportunity across supply chain. We're talking a lot about increasing productivity, either automation or just removing some of the drag with technologies. As you look across, I would just even open it up further, like the industrial sector, right? Like what added outcomes really excite you as it relates to like productivity? Uh, what potential investment opportunities are you seeing that might maybe most excite you?
There's kind of a few ways you can think about this problem or this question. One is if you're looking at like a hardware technology and you're trying to like, I guess supplant, for example, an existing sensor in the car, then you might want to do it at a 10x improvement in performance than the existing solution, or at a way cheaper cost, right? So that's one angle. If you talk about supply chain, a lot of it is around making sure that you provide a solution that somehow makes the supply chain more efficient. And so some of the metrics you might look at is really just business impact. If you put in X solution, does it improve your revenue? Does it decrease costs? Does it allow you to spend less on CapEx? And then there's other things you can do, like, well, with this robot, we don't need 100 people to be sorting these materials and putting them in boxes. We might need 10 people. And so there's a lot of efficiencies to be had just through automation as well. So there's a bunch of ways to look at it. These are kind of the ways that I've looked at it, at least in my past supply chain deals and how I've looked at the market. But it all just depends on what specifically the technology is and what specifically the use case is to figure out what kind of metric is the gauge by which you would measure productivity.